Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is AKMAL bin AZMAN and my matrix number is 08DPI21F1045. I am the creator of this app called Qtism. So let's go to the main topic, which is, do you guys know a small scale study says that autism on children in Malaysia is between the ages 18 to 26 months, show a rate of 1.6 in 1,000 children, or approximately 1 in 625 individuals. While according to recent statistics, there are 300,000 individuals living with autism in Malaysia. So, what is this autism spectrum disorder? Autism spectrum disorder is a developmental disability caused by differences in the brain. People with autism often have problems with social communication, interaction, and restricted or repetitive behavior. They may also have different ways of learning, moving, or paying attention. For today, my purpose is to introduce you guys to my own application that I created called Qtism, which is a childcare and special education app for autism children. This application is, of course, targeted to autistic children because first, they might have issues or might be slow to develop language and understand the spoken language. Second, users often reports that autism kids have low self-esteem. Hence, by building this app, it can help the autistic children to build their confidence and improve communication skills such as facial expression. Third, early childhood is considered as the most crucial phase life because it is the foundation for children's future development. Therefore, autistic children are also deserve to get early education like other kids and should not lag behind. So, this app, it has three features in this application. The first feature is language therapy. Autistic children might have difficulty learning language because they tend to show less interest in other people in the first 12 months of life. They might be more focused on other things going on around them. So with the feature, it will help children with autism comprehend the verbal and non-verbal communication that other people usually use. For the second feature is called emotional learner. Since children with autism spectrum condition have major difficulty in recognizing and responding to emotional and mental states in other facial expression, this feature will allow them to recognize cues like body language and facial expression and help them to understand how to initiate communication without prompting. Lastly, for the final feature is called childcare. This feature have the same feature as Grab, but instead of ordering food, parents can use it to order for registered and professional childcare. Most parents find themselves struggling to care for their child, perform well at a job or even multiple jobs, manage home and be a multitasker. This leaves them with little or no time for themselves, or it could mean limited or no socializing, rest, exercise, hobbies, and interests. So with this feature, parents can focus more on themselves instead of stressing about their child condition when they are not at home. Okay, so that's all for the feature. Let's move on to the user interface. So here are a few user interfaces that I have designed. The screen is the home page. Users can log in using the existing account or register a new account by clicking the sign up button. To log in, user can use their Facebook account or Google account. Then, after user have successfully logged in or registered a new account, they will be redirected to the first screen. In this page, users need to answer few questions, which is, for example, the parents need to key in their children's age so that the system can customize the learning syllabus according to suitability. In the second page, there are three main features that users can choose. Emotion learning features allow children to learn human emotion and express their feeling better. Meanwhile, language therapy helps children to overcome their difficulties in communication. If parent needs a caretaker to monitor their autistic children, they can click the childcare service button and find the nearest caretaker. Now, let me explain the first feature, which is emotion learning in this page. There are few basic emotions that have been displayed. Autistic children can learn and practice how to express their feelings by following pictures given. Move forward to language therapy page. There are few consonants and vowels. Children can choose any of the letters they wish to learn. For instance, if the user click the letter A, the system will display related photo and word. In this case, the application shows Apple Photo and Apple Word. Clicking the audio icon icon also allows the children to listen to the pronunciation. Lastly, we have the last feature, which is childcare service. In order to find nearest caretakers, users need to key in essential details such as name, address, notes, and phone number. Then, they have to click the next button. Here, user can find the nearest caretaker by using filter options such as state and city. Then, the map will show any available caretaker at the moment. If the users click any of the pin icon, the system will display personal detail of the caretaker, for example, cost rate, name, age, and agency. If they wish to use caretaker service, they can click the order button. After that, user can see the status of orders such as waiting status or successful status. If the caretaker has confirmed the order request, the system will show the estimated time arrival, booking date, and tracking map. Lastly, for the value of this application is autistic children can grow a better life, can ease the burden of working parents, and also could help autistic children to communicate better. That's all from me. I hope you investor will like to invest in my application. Thank you so much.